So in this practice, calculate the energy in electron volts and the wavelengths of photons whose frequency is 600 terahertz. 1 electron volt is equal to the 1.602 times 10 to minus 19 joule. So if you have energy in the unit of the joule, you can use these conversions. So energy of photons is expressed H is a Planck constant times the frequency. And then for the H, you can use 4.14 times 10 to minus 15. So in this case, unit is electron volt dot second. So this is a Planck constant H times frequency. Frequency is 600 terahertz. Tera is 10 to 12. This is tera. Hertz is 1/2. And the second is going to be cancelled out. Then you can calculate. Then it becomes 2.48 electron volt. This is the energy of photons. Next question is the wavelength. We need to discover the speed of light is expressed frequency times lambda. So from these equations, lambda is obtained. Speed of light is divided by the frequency. So speed of light 3 times 10 to 8 meter per second. Frequency is 6 times 10 to 14 hertz, so per second. So from this calculation, you can easily calculate 5 times 10 to minus 7 meters. So this is 500 nanometers. This is in the range of the visible light. This color is correspond to the green. Okay, this is the end of this practice.